Hello lovelies, I am here in Homer, Alaska, and I figured since I'm here and I have my video equipment, I would share with you what I would take on a small trip that we're doing. As you can see, my family behind me is fishing for some salmon. It's really awesome out here. So I brought 3 cameras, you could say. I brought my GoPro, which is great for anything that has to do with water. And the camera that I'm filming on right now is the Canon G7X Mark II, and I also have my phone. A phone is really awesome if you don't have a fancy camera or anything like that. You can definitely pick up your phone. Most smartphones today have really great cameras that you can use to capture videos. So I also want to share the accessories that I brought with them, and this here is a little tripod. And it's been great more as a selfie stick. I don't really like it for the tripod features, and I got a super cheap one because it fits in my backpack, and I'll show you my backpack in a second. Because the way when you open up the legs, you have to push these 2 little round knobs to close it, and it is just so difficult to do. And so I typically just get frustrated and just use it as a selfie stick and use my big tripod that you see there. Next, I also have this little floaty device for my GoPro. I take this bottom portion of my GoPro and I put this in between whatever the GoPro is attached to, so that if I do let go of it and I'm in the water, then my GoPro will float and I don't have to worry about losing it. And they had different ones that were black, but I wanted the brightest color I could find so that there's no mistake on where it is or where to find it. So there's that for my GoPro, and then I also have this Polar Pro backpack strap. If you've seen some of my vlogs, and you've seen me with this on, and I take this and I mount it here. So it mounts on my backpack, so no matter where I am, and if my arms are tired or I just want to capture video as I'm walking, you get my point of view from the GoPro here. And I do put on the settings so that the red light doesn't flash on the front of the GoPro, so people aren't worried about it. But it's super easy, and if I see something and I'm like, oh, I want it quick, there's this quick release right here. I pull it off, and easy to use my GoPro from there. And one more thing, actually, this backpack. The backpack holds everything except for my big tripod, so everything fits in this backpack, and it's super easy. It is an anti-theft bag, and I'm not worried about it here, but I have taken this bag to Europe, to the Caribbean, to different places in Alaska, and it has 2 water bottle holders and has just been wonderful. So if you do want a backpack, click the link below, and I will list all these in the description of this video, and you can also click onto the blog post so that you can get those links. Make sure to like and subscribe so you get more tips on the electronics that I use and how I use them. Have fun filming, and make sure to let me know what videos you're filming too.